Similarly, we have question 8. Calculate the mass of precipitate. Now, the precipitate is the solid product that you get from a reaction. So if you want to know what it is that you need to find here, you need to look at the equation. There are two products. The only one with a solid state is barium sulfate, BiSO4. So I need to find the mass of this thing. So mass is M of BiSO4 is what I don't know. Formed from a reaction using 7.69 grams, which is a mass unit of ammonium sulfate, NH4 2SO4. So I'm given the mass of ammonium sulfate, NH4 2SO4, 7.69 grams. According to the following equation, this is actually, again, very similar to question 6 and 7. The mole ratio is very easy. It's 1-to-1 between these two species. Okay, so one more time, there is no mass ratio. You need to find the number of mole of these first. If anything, I think the only issue people may have is just to work out the molar mass wrong. Just forget to double or something. Okay, 7.69. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the molar mass is. You need to find the molar. Okay, let's just do this. So 14 is nitrogen plus 4. 18. Jeez. Okay, so 18 times 2 is going to be the NH42. Sulfur is 32, and 4 oxygen is 64. So something like that. I don't know. Okay, plus 32 plus 64. This is 102, so I got 132 for the molar mass. So 7.69 divided by 132 is 0.060 to two significant figures. Keep the value in the calculator though. From the equation, the number of mole of barium sulfate and the number of mole of NH4. Why did I write a question with such a long formula? Can't really blame anyone. I wrote this thing. Okay, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So the number of mole of barium sulfate, BiSO4, is going to be the same as the number of mole of ammonium sulfate, which is 0.060 mole. I'm not using this value. I'm using the one in my calculator. And then you find the mass. What's barium? Like 137 or something? So once again, you need to find the molar mass of barium sulfate, which I do not know off the top of my head. Okay, so sulfate's 32 plus 64. I think it's can be 137. Maybe it was 137. I'm just checking it in the 137.3. I remember that. Okay. So the molar mass of barium sulfate is 233.3, and if you multiply this to the number of mole, I got to 14 grams. Oh, let's just write the molar mass here. Okay, so 14 grams correct to two significant figures. And we're going outside the shot, I think. Alright, that's it for question 8. Don't actually know whether we're going outside the shot, so let's hope we haven't.